Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a high-resolution image that matches your iPhone screen. This preserves sharpness. Once chosen, load a layered editor or advanced photo app, then import a color palette and any transparent PNG overlays. Make sure to enable a grid and lock canvas to device resolution so you don't crop important content. Start by isolating the subject using a quick mask, then create a background layer for color adjustments. This first pass establishes composition and gives you control over all later edits. Now you refine the look. Apply a focused color grade to set atmosphere, warm, cool, or muted, and adjust HSL selectively so skin and highlights stay natural. Once done, introduce a texture or gradient on a separate layer. Reduce opacity to between 5 and 20%, and experiment with blend modes like soft light or overlay for depth. Make sure to position decorative elements away from the central clock and home icons, and use masks to integrate edges seamlessly, so the design reads as a single coat. To finish, export the composition at the device's native resolution. Choose PNG or hike to preserve detail and transparency. Then set it as your lock screen or home screen, and make sure perspective zoom is off if you need exact alignment. Once applied, inspect how icons and widgets sit on the image and adjust spacing or brightness if necessary. If things look off, reopen the file, confirm the canvas size and safe area, tweak the alignment or opacity, and re-export. That fixes most wallpaper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.